If anyone asked me, would you do this? I'd be like, 100 times over, and I would have done it 10 years ago. And if you can up the cost and just put a little bit more into it, it's your teeth. It's gonna be worth it, My name's Michael Peluso. I think I had all the procedures done. Implants, sinus lift, bone graft, like all new teeth on the uppers. It was, and then I got my whole entire bite readjusted because I was grinding my teeth really bad. So, I don't think I can get any more work done. I'm really aggressive on my teeth. I grind everything down. So, and now it's all fixed. I just got a nice bite guard, so I don't grind my teeth down anymore. So I'm happy. I'm a professional glass blower, so I do a lot of public presentations, and I can tell you, ever since I got my teeth redone, my clientele have increased, my sales have actually increased, and I think it's just that, if you drive a nice car, if you look the part, people think you're the part, so it helps. Like, if I had if I worked in radio, I don't think I'd care at all. But I'm a very much a public person, so I noticed a response from a lot of other people that people take me a little bit more professional, I guess. I don't know. It was an interesting process. It really was. I was scared. I was really nervous, to be honest with you. And one of the nice things is Dr. Verber really put me at ease. Ironically enough, I teach a lot of people how to blow glass, and I taught him how to blow glass before I came in for his services. I just kind of stumbled upon his services. And I actually have a couple other dentistry friends that I just was talking about this, and I mentioned Verber, and they're like, oh yeah, he's a really good dental group. And I was a little reluctant to get all the work done, but I knew that eventually I was just gonna, get it done now or when I'm 60 or 70. And, I'm in my 40s now and I'm healthy, so I figured I just get it done. I really can't pick out anything real negative about it. It's dental work, it's painful. Aside from that, I don't see how Dr. Verber could have really made it any better. He addressed any issues that I had. Not that there were really any. The pain he took care of. Very much a gentle giant. So, I was really impressed. And Dr. Verber definitely does care. Of course, he's running a business and everything like that, but you can, you see those dentists that just want to get you in and out, and you can see how he's just a little bit more of an intellect, and he even answered some questions because he was still figuring out in his head, and then he needed to see the whole entire picture, and I just watched his brain work. In the beginning, I was like, wait a minute, and then I kind of saw what he was doing. I'm like, okay, this isn't just fixing a cavity or putting a tooth on. This is much grander. And then I couldn't imagine him doing a better job.